Hey ladies, today I'm coming to you with a new recipe. It's how I make pancakes for my baby girl. So the ingredients are coconut oil, coconut milk, coconut flour, oat flour, and peanut butter. So to start off, I will be adding 1/4 cup of oat flour and 1/4 cup of coconut flour. You may also add eggs, but my daughter is allergic to eggs, so I omitted. Now I will be adding the peanut butter. Just a drizzle, not a lot. But if your child has any type of allergies, like nut allergies, please do not use it. My daughter is good with nuts. I use cashew milk yogurt for her, so she's been doing well with it. Now adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and now we'll be adding little by little the coconut milk. I use the Califia brand. I do it little by little steps because I don't want to just drop it all at once, and then it's gonna have more clumps. So this way you will mix it all thoroughly. That's how you want the consistency to look like. So now I will be getting ready to fry them. I added coconut oil, not a lot, and I just dumping little by little to make like 4 little mini pancakes. They're like the size of Ritz crackers. It smells mighty good. A lot of coconut aroma. Oh boy, having a little trouble turning them over because they're so tiny. Fry them like 2 minutes on each side. Like as soon as you see they turn like a golden yellowish color, and then just flip them over. So this is the yogurt I was talking about. That's the yogurt I give to my daughter. It has completely no sugar, no added sugar, which is very important. Just 1 gram of sugar that comes from the cashews. So this is the finished product, and that's what she's going to have for breakfast. Thank you guys so much for watching, and here she is.